and we will rise for national anthem. Please rise for national anthem. थैंक यू, गुड मॉर्निंग एंड जय हिंद। आज मीटिंग का हमने कोई एजेंडा नहीं रखा है, कोई पीपीटी नहीं होगी, कोई प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं होगा। और आज सारे जो मैं सारे लोगों को रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा प्लीज अपने को म्यूट कर दें, क्योंकि बैकग्राउंड से आवाज आएगी तो शायद मुश्किल होगा। तो आज कोई स्ट्रक्चर्ड मीटिंग नहीं है, आज कोई प्रेजेंटेशन नहीं है। सबसे पहले तो I would like to extend very warm welcome to all the STEAM members who have joined in the morning. As you know, today is the 31st March, and Rotary year starts from 1st July and ends on 30th June. So complete 9 years has gone. So last leg of the last quarter is remaining for me as a president. So thank you very much for your cooperation, proactive support. What we could do, what we could have the mission, what we have seen that we will be doing in these, 12 months. We could not do because of the this COVID-19. But I am very happy, at least in fourfold. One is the meeting which I was talking that our speakers have been wonderful. We did not miss even a single Wednesday, and we have good gathering also for each speaker. So that is one count. Second, on ground, during COVID, we have been able to do a lot of things. Post July, post January, we have been able to do something in the ground also. And particularly the projects, I will not be speaking because I will be inviting the directors to speak on the projects, but not many projects have been undertaken, and those have been accomplished. So I feel blessed that things are going and have gone as we planned. So not taking much time, I would like to first invite Prerna Gaikwad, Secretary, Rotary Club Pune Riverside, which I feel she is the inspiration of the Rotary Club Pune Riverside, and I used to say the Prerna of the Rotary Club. So over to Prerna to say something as a Secretary Rotary Club of Pune Riverside. To over to Prerna.
Thank you, Colonel. Good morning, everyone again. This year has been a little different from all the other Rotary years that we've had. Physical meetings have been curtailed because of the prevailing situation, but we've still done pretty well, I think. We've had meetings every Wednesday. We've had speakers normally who we would not have been able to get hold of for a physical meeting. So all in all, I think it's been a pretty good year for all of us. We haven't, like Colonel said, we haven't missed a single Wednesday till date. We've had some really good speakers. There's some good speakers, thanks to Ganesh, coming up in the next quarter also. I mean, it's difficult to say that 9 months have already just gone by. We haven't even realized that it's been 9 months. We have just 3 months of this year to go now. It's been a pretty power-packed year. We're hoping that the situation gets better, and at least for the last month, we can meet up and have our physical meetings. But that also depends, again, thanks to the corona situation plus the vaccinations. So let's look forward to the last quarter, which I'm sure is going to be just as power packed as what we've had. Hoping for some better speakers from all of y'all. I mean, better in the sense we've already had excellent speakers, but just maintaining the quality of speakers that we've had right now. So that's just a basic update. A lot of projects and all have also been done, but those will go. I mean, the individual directors can speak about those. Just one birthday announcement. That's Ajay Agarwal on the 6th of April. So here's wishing him happy birthday in advance from all of us. That's all from me, Colonel. Over to you. Thank you.
Thank you, Prerna. Thank you. And after Prerna, I would like to invite Rotarian Sanjay Merchant, who is the director and club admin Rotary Club Pune Riverside, to announce from his side and share his experience, what 9 months he has seen. So over to Sanjay Merchant.
Yeah, thank you, Colonel, and good morning, everyone. Like Prerna said, we've had very good meetings and all, and in fact, the next 3 months also, everything has been fully lined up, mostly thanks to Colonel and Ganesh both together. And our Sanjeevani project has also gone very well up till now, and we've been having good meetings and all, as you all have seen. Colonel, sir, that's all. I don't think there's anything else to add.
No problem, no problem. Thank you very much. Your support as a director, programs and club admin has been very helpful, and I must thank you for that. And let's all well if in well. So last quarter we have to be little pro, and let's sign off with a something different. So looking forward for that, for your proactive support. God bless you. Thank you very much, Sanjay ji. So thank you. Another before I invite Rotarian Dr. Ganesh Natarajan, who is Director Youth and Corporate Connect. I would like to share with you that the project which uh, lead was taken by Dr. Ganesh Natarajan is going to happen with the help of Niruji, and inauguration is on 2nd Friday 8:30. I'm thankful to Ganeshji and Niruji, they have consented their presence. So I will request all the team members, so please join on that day, because this is the formal kickoff, and the Goan team is very enthusiastic, and they are and in fact they are looking forward, and we are also looking forward. They are looking forward that this our project is if that goes well and that succeeds, so we can do much more like that in future. So not taking much time, I would like to thank Dr. Ganesh Natarajan, Director Corporate and Youth Connect, to share his uh, take on 9 months, and as a Rotarian, as a Rotary Club Pune Riverside, and Director Corporate and Youth Connect. So over to Ganesh Natarajan.
Yeah, thank you, Kalra. I'll start with the Youth Connect initiative, and then maybe just few thoughts on the club itself. First, of course, I mean, I'm extremely grateful to Neeruji, because as you know, one of the goals we had set this year was that we should certainly extend what we do in schools, etc., to the youth of the city. And I did not mean privileged youth. I mean, I don't think middle class or upper class youth really need our help. But as youth in the slums, who, as we all know, have as many dreams, as many aspirations as all of us, and they don't get an opportunity, which of course I have now committed my life to do it through Lighthouse Communities and Pune City Connect. And we do this for across the city. And then, of course, as you know, 2 years back, Aspen Institute, which is one of the largest NGOs in the world, they chose Pune as a city where they want to do youth programs. And which is when they asked me whether we can really help them to do a youth mentoring project. And as you know, we tried for some time, but thanks to you and now thanks to Neeruji, I think we've been privileged that we have an opportunity to showcase this program. I have a lot of hope for this, because potentially the whole Pune district can be transformed if Rotarians are able to support young people in the slums. And as some of you may not know, but in Pune Municipal Corporation itself, there are 540 slums. So it's a very large slum population in our city. And we need to do something for them, rather than thinking, हाँ वो लोग वहाँ से भाई बेचते हैं. That's not good enough. We have to do something. So I think it's a great opportunity for us. I'm hopeful that as we move along, this project, as you rightly said, Kalalji, is starting this Friday. and we've already identified the mentors. We were hoping to get a lot of corporate mentors, but आप सबको मालूम है कि COVID के समय में corporate mentors don't really want to come to the slum areas. So it's more of social work mentors. But in the next phase, because I had actually talked to people in Barclays and Zensar, etc. And the young people were very interested. But right now, to sab log ghar se kaam kar rahe hain, so it's very difficult to reach them. So I think in the next phase, we'll also get corporate mentors. So I'm really hopeful that we can take this forward. And as we go forward, I think both, getting what we do in Pune City Connect is exactly that. We get the ecosystem of government, corporates, social sector, and youth together. And I think we can really adopt a similar model for Rotary Club and get both corporates and youth to participate. So, I mean, thanks to Niru, I think we have the first initiative, but we need to take this forward. I think that's fine. Second is I've been 3 years in the Rotary Club. In fact, I came in because Niruji, who's my neighbor, asked me to join, and I was delighted to come in. Who was the president of the club. And I think this is now my 4th year. I share what Kalan Mishra said, that it's disappointing that people who have contributed so much to the club, don't make the effort to come. I mean, it would be nice. I mean, I had something else to do this morning, but Club Assembly and Kalan Mishra specifically said, I said, look, I cannot miss this one. So even if I only attend maybe 2 Wednesdays a month, I think the important events we should try and attend. So I think we should send a message to all the veterans also, people like Vikram who are such stalwarts in the club, that आप थोड़ा कोशिश करें to join for club assemblies and these fellowships. I think it will help to build the bonding. It will also help us to get more members, because members come when other members see other people. Like in NASCOM, when we built the community, it's because some of us used to join every meeting, but all the young people said, oh my God, we will learn a lot from the seniors, and we learn from there. So I think it's a message that we may need to take out. But apart from that, I think the Riverside, and thanks to you, Colonel, and Prerna, I think we've had a very, very good year. I completely agree with Prerna. It's been a joy for most of my friends who have come as speakers to interact, because they've had good questions and good interaction. So I think we should continue to do that. And thank you very much, Kalan Mishra, for your absolutely from the front leadership. उसके बिना तो ये कोविड साल में कभी नहीं हो सकता. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. Thank you for your encouraging words. And in fact, I'm looking forward the talk of Dr. Uma in the May. In fact, we got the one speaker for 5th May, and Dr. Uma is going to speak on 9th May. So I would like to thank her also personally. Now I will move to our Director Foundation, Umeshji. Umeshji has a lot to share. It's a cooler project and lot many things. Foundation, donation and all things are there. I have something in mind, and see, ultimately, as you know, the Rotary International and Foundation. So these are parallel. Without Foundation, Rotary Club cannot function, and without Rotary International, this foundation cannot function. So we are duty bound to donate something, and I have something in mind which I am thinking either before the DG visit or at the time of DG visit, we will be doing that. So not taking much time, inviting Rotarian Umesh Jalanji. So over to Umesh.
Yeah, thank you, Mishra ji. Once again, good morning to everybody. This coal air project so far is concerned, we have received 25 lakhs of rupees under FCRA from coal air last year. Out of that, 2 projects were to be executed. One was for Junior College, Wagoli, wherein it's a complete water project for increasing the groundwater table, and it's having a boring and rainwater harvesting and RO water, drinking water. The school was having no water, even the bore well was not there. We got independent survey by a borewell surveyor at the instance of coal air, and we found the water. The school is so happy that for the last 20 years, they were suffering from the water. Even the utility water was not there. It is a school wherein 850 students are there, and 100 teachers are there. They were not having utility water even for bathroom, toilets, etc. So they are very happy about that. The project has already been completed, and we have there the borewell charging system, whereby we expect that, as per the experience of the contractor and consultant, that we do not foresee any drying up of the bore well for the next 15-20 years, and the bore well will give the sufficient water for the requirement of 850 students. So that's a big achievement, and the project has already been completed. The other project is for toilet construction at a village at Sotpatwadi. Some school is there, Jila Parsad, where 350 students are there. We have got the say quotations etc. ready for that, but we were postponing that project because of the corona situation and the availability of a competent contractor. Now we are ready to do that, but meanwhile our FCRA account has been blocked. So that you all know that our FCRA approval has elapsed the validity period of 5 years in August 2020. We are trying for making the renewal of our FCRA approval, but due to technical glitches, it's not happening. One of the requirements for getting FCRA approval is that we have the SBI account opened at Delhi. That fortunately, after the last 2 months of effort, we have submitted our application to SBI yesterday only, and we hope that the account will get opened. The account number is a mandatory field while applying for the FCRA renewal application online, and we cannot bypass that process. Even at the time of filing of FCRA annual return, which has already become, say, which is for which the time is there, although till June 30th, but we were trying to complete it earlier. It is the annual return for the FY 19-20, that is March 20 period ending. And that also we could not file for want of the SBI account number, which is not there with us. So thanks to the effort of Vinay and say others, Deepak and all, we did not have our the original documents of the club. We got it our trust deed certified from Charity Commissioner's office, and we got our duplicate that trust registration certificate also corrected, which was not carrying a correct name of our trust, and there was a mismatch in the name between the trust certificate and the trust deed and the PAN account. So all those hurdles were there. Lot of work has gone in the background, and now we are seeing the light of the day. As regards the uh, foundation, we are to contribute every year some amount to the foundation. The expectation of the foundation is about last year we have made say roughly 1,000 rupees per. We have made about 3 lakh of rupees contribution to the foundation. So this year also we should work out something before the DG visit, and let's plan for that contribution from our trust side. Thank you.
Thank you, Messi. Our DGBGT is scheduled on 5th June evening, and we have planned it in reds and blue, Kharadi. So we'll doing that. uh, there are persons off the screen, and they have been doing wonderful job. And one of our fellow Riversider is Rotarian Kiran Grewal. You may not be knowing all the designs, all the creatives, and all the innovative ideas which you have seen. So major chunk is from her as a director, district PR and media. So I would like to thank Kiran from my bottom of heart. You have been immense help to me particularly as a core team. In fact, I did not share earlier to our team members. We have beautiful team. In fact, that is the club admin, and in that club admin we have Sanjay ji, we have Kiran, we have Prerna, we have Vinay, and myself. So this is the team which used to brainstorm and we used to take the decision. So any decisions being taken, either review for the past or the present or the future, it's a kind of core team, and in that contribution of Kiran has been really commendable, laudable. So thank you very much, Kiran. Proud to be associated with you. So I would like to invite Kiran as a director, district PR and media. So over to Kiran.
Thank you, Colonel Mishra. I'm sorry, I don't know what I'm supposed to say here, but thank you so much for your kind words. It's been an interesting year where I've definitely learned a lot. And I'm hoping that we definitely, I think the conversation as we've had in terms of, improving our member participation would actually be able to support us a lot in our PR work as well. So I think now I'm looking forward to what we're going to be planning for the June event.
That's great. I would like to request you to share your experience of working for 9 months, because 31st March is today and we are already on the close of 9 months, and last quarter is going to start from tomorrow. So if you could share your experience on that.
It's been an interesting, I think it's been a very interesting year, and you've definitely kept us all on our toes with, all the different activities that we've had, been planning, and the way that you're making sure that everything is on par, it's on time. All the work is submitted on time. We are prepared with, each and every single thing. And it's been a pleasure working with a team that is very proactive, that thinks for the future as well, of what's going to be in the next phase. So I have definitely learned a lot in the last 9 months. So thank you for that amazing leadership.
Thank you, Kiran. Thank you very much. See, the one thing which I would like to flag, and I'm very happy about the growth in membership. When I was supposed to give the target to the district, so I gave 15%. But today it is more than 20%. So, and for this, the credit I would like to give Director Membership Growth, Anuradha ji. So Anuradha is there. So thank you very much, and she is very amazing person. She has been very productive. See, in fact, when I see the Anuradha, I think like we say the Neeru ji something, um, a different person, different from different perspective. So we look towards Anuradha ji. Anuradha, we have always seen a child in Anuradha ji, and grown-up child, and very enthusiastic, very energetic, very innovative. So she has been. It is the credit goes to Anuradha ji for this. So I would like to request Anuradha ji to come and share her experience of 9 months, and particularly the growth in rivership. And I would like to flag in the COVID, lot of the Rotary Club have seen the dropouts, but Here is the one Rotary Club Pune Riverside, 100% intact, no dropout, and 20% plus increase. So at the close of the last Rotary year, it was 29, and today we are 35. So not taking much time. This is for Anuradha ji. Over to Anuradha ji. Anuradha ji, unmute yourself and please, I will request Sal to please mute yourself. Yeah, other than the speaker. Yeah, Anuradha ji, are you there? Anyway, if Anuradha is, yeah, please, please. Look.
I'm here.
Yeah.
I'm here. Well, I would say that thank you, Colonel. I have not done really anything, but nice of you have to appreciate it. I would say very little, nothing that I've done. So we went for this school inauguration, and I must say that this school does face a lot of problems. Between the 5 villages, there is only one school, and there are 250 children. And the school gets over at after 10th standard. There is not even 11th and 12th. So there is a good chance that the girls will not probably go for the 11th and 12th. And I would say that there are well-wishers who are running the school. And another problem they are facing is that, the children don't want to learn anywhere in Marathi medium now. They want English medium. At the same time, English medium teachers are not available in the villages. So in spite of that, we could say that the school is really trying their best to see how they survive. And I would say that the school appeared in a very good shape after the work we have done. That's one thing. Second issue I wanted to talk about, I want to really apologize for not being able to, new members not being able to participate in the Parichay. Hello?
Yeah, please go ahead. We are listening.
Yeah.
Please go ahead.
Parichay, any program that Rashmi Kulkarni conducts, this is since a club assembly, I don't mind talking, we are only there. Everything is in Marathi. So what happens is I thought there was no point following with Murtuza and Captain, Baku to attend it, because I think it really doesn't make any sense if it is not in the language that you are familiar with. So in a way we have missed the opportunity, but in a way I thought I should clarify that I didn't go after them. I just sent a message.
I believe this is something that we've had across in every single training. And I've mentioned it to the PR team also, that everything primarily ends up happening in Marathi. So the people who are non-Marathi speaking, or we miss out. So they always say, we will send you the presentation. But I have told them that this is not something that should be, encouraged, and we should all be able to speak, have a common platform, because obviously, it's not necessary everyone living here is Maharashtrian. So this is, I think, a point maybe on, we can as a club kind of, push forward that everything should be in English or Hindi.
Kiran, we
the
district also.
Yeah.
I completely agree, because I attended a couple of the district meetings and then I gave up.
Yeah, it gets
Marathi,
irritating because, yeah.
So their explanation for this is that there's just a handful of people who are comfortable in English. They're targeting clubs all over the district, even in the small villages where there are clubs. And those people are not comfortable with Marathi and English. So this is basically targeting all the masses, not just the few people. So the presentation.
But that's the thing, Hindi is a good option.
That's not correct, because I've been in youth meetings with only the chairs and they only speak in Marathi. I told them I'm totally insulted and I walked out.
Prerna, I would like to, 1 minute. I would like to tell Prerna, this is happening only this year. You see, the last year, since last 4 or 5
happened last year also.
No, Prerna, let me complete.
Yeah,
since last 5 years, I have been associated with the districts, but such position which 90% in Marathi, 10% in others, and that is happening only this year. And in pre-PET and PET and other forums also, I personally went to Vinay Kulkarni, I went to Palisha, I went to Rashmi Kulkarni. I told and publicly I told it, going on the stage, that what you people are doing, you are wasting my time. I feel I'm not able to understand what you are talking about, and you should target the last man sitting in the crowd. So they made it that they will make it 50% Hindi, 50% Marathi, but they didn't follow that. So that state is there. Why I intervene? I'm talking about we have fireside, where new members will be groomed, and they will have the opportunity to interact with our senior members. We are looking, in fact, we are looking for physical meeting. If that is not possible by May, then in June we will have the, by the end of the May we will be have online meeting, and we have very good members. Neeru is there, Mukesh is there, Rasmi Bhai is there, Prakash Dhoka is there, Vikram is, and lot many things. And they sit with the new members and interact with them and take the journey right from the beginning of the Rotary year, Rotary International Foundation. So even if we miss the Parichay, so need not to bother. I am particularly addressing the new members. Please don't bother. We have a very good team, and they will let you know the complete journey from origin of the Rotary International Foundation till today. So that was my point I wanted to share with you. Over to Anuradha again. Anuradha.
Well, I would say that this year has been exceptional, and adding the members is a great contribution made by Karna View. I have not done anything at all, and the speakers have been marvelous. And I would say that Club Assembly is a place where I would appreciate that under the very, very difficult circumstances, we are enjoying Rotary now. And I really hope that, all believe the same. And for the first time, I felt that it's not a breakfast meeting. It is a meeting where our minds are engaged. And that is something I think never happened before, because all the time there was a tension. How many members are going to come? We are called esteemed speaker. Will there be crowd? Will there be crowd? And then are we giving justice to them? All these issues have suddenly disappeared. And I would say that I'm enjoying Rotary thanks to your management, as well as unfortunate incidences of coronavirus happening. And situation in Pune, as you know, is very, very bad. I don't think we are likely to start meetings in person. So I think this formula we should continue, and probably we can have a fellowship again online. So that's my suggestion. That's it.
Thank you, Anuradha ji. In fact, before I invite Neeru ji, you see, you must be thinking why I'm not inviting Neeru ji, because Neeru ji has a lot of things to share, and that is we are eagerly looking forward. So before I invite Neeru ji, I would like to place on record the sincere thanks to Rohit Jirajani. He is the one who is always connected with the district. He is always connected with the Rotary International, and he has brought a good number of projects. This Umesh was talking about the Cooler project. It is the baby of the Rohit Jirajani. Another project which we have just signed up with one of the club which I mentioned in last meeting. Thank you, Rohit, for doing your proactive support to the Rotary Club Pune Riverside. I would like to invite you if you have to share something. So over to Rohit. Please unmute yourself. Rohit? Rohit, are you there? I think Rohit is not able to. Okay, no problem. So thank you very much. Vikram has joined just now. So very good morning and welcome, Vikramji. Before I invite Neeruji, could I invite you as a honorable member advisory board, global grants, to speak something about the global grants? Over to Vikramji.
Good morning. Thank you, Colonel Mishra. There's very little to say in terms of global grants. Our club is lagging behind in reporting, as you know, and that is a cause of concern. Global grants, the norms and guidelines are changing as we go forward. I think for the next Rotary year, I am the district director for global grants. and we will be managing district funds. We're putting together some rules that will happen. But I think
Heartiest congratulations, Vikramji. Heartiest congratulations.
Oh,
for
I don't think
being-
it needs congratulations. I think more than that, it needs lots of support, lots of time and energy.
Yeah, that will there.
You know, becoming an officer of Rotary in the club or anywhere else is not a matter of achievement. It's something that you are asked to do, and in many cases, you are
True.
forced
I agree.
So, but notwithstanding that, I think the area of concern is essentially our club grants. We need to make sure that those are properly reported and closed.
Thank you very much, Vikramji. So last but not the least, in fact, as I said, I would have invited Niruji in the beginning itself, but I thought I should invite her in the last because she has to share lot many things. And during COVID-19, even this inauguration of Happy School, which has been in the past few days, and Care for Air, Lardli, then other things also. So instead, I flag those things. I would like to invite Niruji for throwing light on that. So over to Niruji.
थैंक यू कर्नल मिश्रा आई मीन इस साल में जो चेंज आया अनएक्सपेक्टेड अनइमेजिनेबल एंड वेरी डिफिकल्ट उस साल में आपके लीडरशिप में जिस तरह से क्लब ने काम किया कंग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर दैट
Thank you Niruji
इट
for your
वेंट ऑफ
blessing.
सो वेल अभी कंग्रेचुलेशंस टू विक्रम आल्सो कि डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल पर उन्होंने आपके ग्लोबल ग्रांट की जो नॉलेज है उसको रिकग्नाइज किया है और आपको वो रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी दी है एज फार एज अवर रिपोर्टिंग इज कंसर्न रिपोर्टिंग इज अप टू डेट माय डिस्ट्रिक्ट हेल्प they are very happy with my reporting. So we don't have to worry about whatever grants are under me, they are well reported. अभी कर्नल मिश्रा कुछ इसके अलावा मैं अश्विनी बाकू जी को वेलकम करना चाहूंगी. वो पहली बार असेंबली अटेंड कर रहे हैं तो शायद उनके नॉलेज के लिए मैं थोड़ा डिटेल में जाऊंगी.
निरुजी निरुजी मैं आपको रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा आपके जितने सारे प्रोजेक्ट्स हैं सबका अपडेट थोड़ा सा जरूर दें आप.
ठीक है. थैंक यू कर्नल मिश्रा. सो इस साल में जो हमने किया है केयर फॉर एयर में हम ब्लैंकेट्स बांटते हैं सिक्योरिटी लोगों को क्योंकि सिक्योरिटी के लोग रात भर जगते हैं लेकिन अक्सर हमने देखा था कि वो डिफरेंट सोसाइटीज में वो आग जलाते हैं पूरे टाइम और आग जला के वो चारों ओर बैठ जाते हैं गप्पे करते हैं सिक्योरिटी गोज फॉर ए टॉस और उसके अलावा पोल्यूशन जो फैलाते हैं वो तो है ही अलग. तो हमारे केयर फॉर एयर प्रोग्राम में इस साल भी हम कोविड टाइम पर भी 1200 सिक्योरिटी के लोगों को अवेयरनेस दे पाए हैं और उनको एज रिवॉर्ड हमने 1200 ब्लैंकेट भी बांटे हैं. और एक बार जो ये हमारी पोल्यूशन वाली बात सुन लेते हैं सिक्योरिटी वाले दे रियली बिकम कॉन्शियस एंड वो आग नहीं जलाते हैं 90%. बाकी तो सब अपनी कोशिश पे ही डिपेंड रहता है पर दिस ईयर आल्सो वी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड 1200 blankets and we got connected with many societies. इसके अलावा हमने अपने लाडली प्रोजेक्ट में जिसमें कि हम अवेयरनेस देते हैं छोटे बच्चियों को अबाउट मेंस्ट्रुअल हाइजीन वो हम अवेयरनेस प्रोग्राम तो नहीं कर पाए हैं लेकिन हम 60,000 हटमेंट्स के लेडीज को 60,000 हमने पैकेट बांटे थे. तो कोविड टाइम में भी हमारे लाडली प्रोजेक्ट के अंदर ये हुआ है. हैप्पी स्कूल का काम हमारे हैप्पी स्कूल जो ग्लोबल ग्रांट के अंदर चल रहे हैं वो चल ही रहे हैं। 2 स्कूल कोविड टाइम में भी पूरे हुए हैं। 3 दिन पहले ही भी हमने 3-4 दिन पहले एक इनॉग्रेशन किया है, which Anuradha told you, and Anuradha was with me, and it was a nice thing to have someone from the club. और हैप्पी स्कूल के 3 हैप्पी स्कूल फिर से अब हमने शुरू कर दिए हैं और उसकी रिपोर्टिंग मैं डिटेल रिपोर्टिंग आपको दूंगी। हैप्पी स्कूल हमारा सिग्नेचर प्रोजेक्ट है जिसमें कि हम बहुत कुछ कर सकते हैं। यहाँ पर अनुराधा ने एक बात बोली है कि हैप्पी स्कूल जब हम करते हैं जिला परिषद के लिए, तो जिला परिषद के 2 चीजें हमने नोटिस की हैं। जिला परिषद स्कूल में जितने बच्चे होते हैं अक्सर वो ज्यादा बच्चे दिखाते हैं। क्यों दिखाते हैं? जिससे कि उनका स्कूल बंद नहीं हो जाए। उसके रूट कॉज में अगर हम जाएं तो वो है इंग्लिश एजुकेशन, which is a great concern for us also, because हम इतना हेल्प करते हैं और वो स्कूल दिल्ली स्कूलों की तरह सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो तो वो अच्छा नहीं लगता है। तो मेरे दिल में एक प्रोजेक्ट है कि why not we give a television, big television to these school of ours, and वहां पर कॉमिक चले जो कि बच्चे 1 घंटे तक देखे, इंग्लिश कॉमिक्स। That is my suggestion in this assembly, और वो प्रोजेक्ट बहुत अच्छे से किया जा सकता है। और जब हम कॉमिक दिखाएंगे उनको, स्टोरीज दिखाएंगे इंग्लिश में, they will come, they will really attend it, and they will get that natural flow of English in them. So this is the next project I am working on. I have asked the help from many people, what type of comic, what should we show, and then we will start it. That is one news which I want to give to my own club. ऊर्जा प्रोग्राम हमने किया अपने कोविड टाइम में, जिसमें रोटरी रिवरसाइड के नाम से 5 वीडियोस अपलोड हो चुके हैं यूट्यूब पे। अगर हम उसको प्रमोट करें तो दैट विल बी वेरी बेनिफिशियल। पर उस ऊर्जा प्रोजेक्ट आया और चला गया, बट इस तरह का हम उसको बहुत ज्यादा पब्लिसाइज नहीं कर पाए हैं। सो आई वुड लव टू हैव किरण सजेशन ऑन देम ऑन दैट प्रोजेक्ट कि अगर हम हमारे 5 वीडियोस हैं तो वो कैसे पॉपुलराइज किए जाएं। Goyan project is a new project which I am very hopeful that will be a very different project. I mean, I am really happy अगर इसका feedback बहुत अच्छा मिलेगा तो we can continue it forever. और इसके बारे में मैंने मृणाल से भी बात की है कि मृणाल, we need to give each and every information. We have be very disciplined and very heart and soul should be in this project. Then only it will take that momentum with which we have started it. So inauguration के time मैं request करूंगी कि सभी लोग आए। संजीवनी project, it has a great potential. बट इस बार मेरे को पहली बार रियलाइज हुआ कि हम लोग थोड़ी कंजूसी से काम कर रहे हैं और कम से कम 250 मैसेजेस तो मेरे पास थे जिसमें उन्होंने कहा कि हम ज्वाइन नहीं हो पाए। आई मीन आई फेल्ट वेरी बैड। सो हमको बड़ा जूम का पैकेज लेना चाहिए अगर हम प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हैं।
Neeru ji, sorry, I would like to intervene you. In fact, this was a big communication gap because I was coordinating with you, and you did not mention that number is going higher side. In fact, earlier we used to take the license for 500, and that used to be go for waste. So we decided we will go for 100 only because normally we used to get 80 to 90 persons. So sorry for that inconvenience, but to make that people join, I went Facebook Live. So that was because of the communication gap. What I wanted to mention. That's all.
कोई बात नहीं है कर्नल मिश्रा, इट हैपेंस। आपका फोन बहुत बार मिलाने के बाद भी नहीं मिलता कभी कभी, इसी के लिए मैंने प्रेरणा से बात कर ली थी फिर कि प्रेरणा, आई एम गोइंग टू प्रमोट इट और बहुत सारे स्कूल ज्वाइन करेंगे, कैन आई डू दैट? प्रेरणा ने कहा कि हाँ आप कर लीजिए, शायद उसको भी मालूम नहीं था। इट्स ओके, अभी हम फिर से कर सकते हैं वो प्रोग्राम उन लोगों के लिए, देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम। बट संजीवनी प्रोग्राम इज सच प्रोग्राम जिसमें हमें ज्यादा ध्यान देना चाहिए, हमें जूम लिमिट बढ़ानी चाहिए, हमको 80 बच्चों से सेटिस्फाइड रहना, दिस इज नॉट डन। आई मीन इतने सारे स्कूल हम कर रहे हैं, व्हाई नॉट इंक्लूड ऑल द स्कूल? आपने कभी मेरे से बोला ही नहीं कि इसके तरफ प्रमोशन की जरूरत है। आई कुड हैव डन इट सो मच। अब कभी हमारी बात नहीं हुई। तो इस असेंबली में अगर बात हो रही है तो कम से कम 1000 बच्चे तो आने चाहिए ना, 1000-2000 भी आएंगे, हम थोड़ी सी कोशिश करेंगे। हमने इतना कुछ किया है उन स्कूलों के लिए, व्हाई डोंट वी हैव अ बिगर विजन?
नीरू जी, मैंने आपको जैसा बोला, मेरे पॉइंट को कैच करने की कोशिश करिए। 6 months we had license for 500, particularly keeping in view the Sanjeevani students and teachers. But because of some constraints, number used to go only up to 80 to 90. So we thoughtfully decided that we will not waste the single penny of the Rotary Club Pune Riverside. We'll go for only 100, and we were doing. If you would have given one message to me, see, I'm in US, I may not be taking your call, but you cannot tell I have not called back to you, number one. Second, if you have sent the message or anyone has sent the message, I have replied promptly. So please try to understand, it was a big communication gap between you and me and Prerna. That's all. Close it here itself. That's all.
Colonel
Thank you.
Mishra, it is okay. We have got now the idea. Sanjeevani has great potential, and you please increase the Zoom limit, and I will work on that. Okay? So
Certainly,
whoever the
certainly.
speaker is, we will try कि हमारे बच्चे 2000 भी आ सकते हैं, 3000 भी आ सकते हैं. Why not? When technology is giving us the chance to
We will
reach
do
out
that.
to so many people.
Niruji, we
Okay.
cannot go for 2000. We will go for 500 license for Zoom. But immense number, maybe 1 lakh. Let it come. It will be on Facebook Live because everybody doesn't interact. So we will have the teachers, we have the members, and we will have the waiting room. And Kiran and Prerna handles very well. I am very proud of them. They in fact, when you people were not able to join, it was handled by Kiran and Prerna, and they made some students to go and wait in waiting room. So we have learned the lesson. So please stop it here.
Okay.
We have learned the lesson. We are going to make it a future. Thank you. Yeah.
थैंक यू जी। उसके अलावा एक रिक्वेस्ट और है कर्नल मिश्रा, आई मीन इम्प्रूवमेंट्स शुड बी द वे ऑफ आवर क्लब। इम्प्रूवमेंट्स में एक रिक्वेस्ट ये है कि एक एक्सेल शीट हमेशा हमको एज मेंबर्स मिलनी चाहिए, जिसमें ये पता होना चाहिए कि हमारे क्लब के पास डिफरेंट प्रोजेक्ट्स के अंदर क्या क्या अमाउंट जमा हुआ था और क्या क्या खर्च हुआ। So ये एक बहुत जरूरी चीज
No,
है।
you will get, and that is getting ready after your flag to me. I have already asked, and Vinay is working on that. And you know that today is the 31st closing year for the banking and finance, so that's why he has not been able to join. But shortly we will share the that Excel sheet with you and other
Excel sheet.
Yeah, thank you.
And last जो मैं announcement करना चाहती हूँ, on a happy note that I have transferred approximately 11 lakhs of rupees to Rotary Trust for making a shed, bigger shed for in Samta School, Yarwada. So उसका काम इस हफ्ते शुरू हो जाएगा, एंड उसके लिए मैं भगवान को भी थैंक्स कहती हूँ, एंड उन स्कूल वालों को भी जिसके थ्रू मैं ये हेल्प दे पा रही हूँ।
Thank you for your generosity, and great salute Neeru ji to you. मेरा प्रणाम आपको, आप और अनिल और आपके दोनों बच्चे ऐसे ही जो आपके मन में है, जो आपके दिल में है, जिस तरीके से आप अकम्प्लिश करते हैं. That's why Ganesh ji has rightly said what you say, Ganesh ji, I think Mother India. What I'm forgetting that word.
You're on mute,
muted.
Ganesh.
बस
You-
मैंने मधुबाला बोला, आपने उसको मदर इंडिया कर दिया.
नहीं, मधुबाला आपने बोला था, मधुबाला तो हम कहते ही हैं, लेकिन उस दिन आपने एक वर्ड बोला था, नहीं आपने एक वर्ड बोला था, गार्ड मदर. If you remember, you have already mentioned that is on the, yeah. So that is, and guard mother is those who you see looks after the children. So you are looking after the thousands of the children. See, one program, one project you have forgotten, that is your Pragya project. You have distributed you have given
Yes,
10 lakhs rupees, and you have given the books. And could you please throw light on that also, 2 to 3 minutes?
या प्रज्ञा प्रोजेक्ट जो है वो हमने गीता वोरा के साथ मिलके किया था, बिकॉज शी वाज इन द फील्ड एंड हर हस्बैंड इज इन दिस आईटी फील्ड, एंड ही हैज डेवलप्ड ए प्रोग्राम जिसमें वो बच्चों के फोन में ऐप डाउनलोड कर देते हैं. दिस इज अ वेरी यूनिक वे ऑफ दिस एजुकेशन, बिकॉज जो भी ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन होती है वहाँ कंस्ट्रेंट होता है टाइम का, और टाइम पे अगर बच्चे क्लास ज्वाइन नहीं करें तो वो मिस हो जाता है. लेकिन हमारे हस्बैंड्स के बच्चों में को स्मार्टफोन अवेलेबल नहीं होता है जब तक कि फादर घर नहीं आए. तो अगर उनके फोन में वो ऐप डाउनलोड कर दिया जाए तो उससे उनको कभी भी रात को बैठ के अगर वो 2 घंटे 3 घंटे दे देते हैं पढ़ाई को, तो वो अपना साल मिस नहीं करेंगे. तो आई लव दिस प्रोजेक्ट एंड उसके लिए 10 लाख रुपया दिया था. उसमें हम लोगों ने बच्चों को, क्योंकि उनको उस कोविड टाइम पे कोई भी कॉपी किताब पेंसिल ये सब नहीं मिल रही थी, तो वी हैड मेड अ हैम्पर जिसमें सब कुछ उनकी जरूरत सामान था. एंड ऑफ कोर्स यू कैन इमेजिन द फील जब बच्चों को नई किताबें मिलती हैं, नई पेंसिल मिलती है, नया ज्योमेट्री बॉक्स मिलता है, नया कलर बॉक्स मिलता है, हाउ हैप्पी दे वुड बी. तो वही सब सोच के हमने ये प्रज्ञा प्रोजेक्ट किया था, और वो अभी भी चल रहा है. नाउ आई एम इन टच विद गीता. ऑफ कोर्स फॉर द स्टेशनरी आई एम नॉट गिविंग हर एनीथिंग, but I want our club to get attached to this project permanently, because कोविड सिचुएशन तो सुधर नहीं रही है. लेकिन अगर उनको उनके वॉलंटियर्स को कुछ हेल्प लगती है ये हटमेंट्स में जाके अपलोड करने के लिए, क्योंकि उनका दिन वेस्ट हो जाता है, बहुत कम फोन अवेलेबल होते हैं, और होते भी हैं तो उसमें टाइम लगता है. तो हम उस प्रोजेक्ट को कंटिन्यू कर सकते हैं. अगर रोटरी रिवरसाइड उसको चाहे बढ़ाना तो प्लीज इन्फॉर्म मी एंड वी विल डू इट टुगेदर.
Thank you, Neeruji. Rohit has joined. Rohit, are you there? Rohit, are you there? No? Rohit Jirajani? So, Rohit is not there, perhaps. Yeah, Rohit, are you there?
Yes,
Yeah, Rohit.
yes.
Yeah, in fact, I wanted to extend very warm welcome and thanks to you for connecting the district and connecting the foundation and Rotary International, bringing Kolar project and one recent project, global grant project, which we have signed up. So thank you very much for that. And if you want to say something in one or 2 minutes, over to you, Rohit.
We are working on the project. There is some problem with the RI, but we are going to solve it.
Great. Thank you.
Colonel Vikram would like to say something.
Yeah, Vikramji, please go ahead.
I'm just taking up on what Neeru had mentioned a few minutes ago. Regarding the educational content being downloaded onto the device rather than being streamed live. I think that is a very important tool, and it makes a huge difference, because internet availability, bandwidth availability, and device availability, all of these things are they impact the delivery of education. Now you know that the Rotary Club of Pune Riverside since 2010 has been doing this distance education, and that is exactly the model. So all the content is stored on the remote device, and only updates are downloaded over. So I I think if she's able to make this happen and the content is really the content that is required by the State Board of Education, then we should see how we can push that and promote that. We've been doing that as part of our distance education program, which we started in the district and which has now become a national effort. The remote education, the distance education. So this is an extension of that, and if we can do it on mobile phones, we should go for it.
Thank you very much. Thank you. So nice. We will look for this suggestion, and certainly we will like to incorporate that. We have very few minutes left, but I would not like to miss the chance to share the
Niruji wants to say something.
1 minute. Time is not there. Niruji, can you finish in 1 minute, because I have to invite 1 or 2 more.
Half
and
a
time is
minute,
good.
half a minute, Colonel Mishra. Now DG visit के लिए हमारे पास इतने सारे प्रोजेक्ट हैं कि अगर किरण से मैं रिक्वेस्ट करूंगी कि अगर अपने डिफरेंट प्रोजेक्ट की बढ़िया सी स्लाइड्स बना दे कि ये हमारा प्रोजेक्ट है, ये है, that would be really nice.
Niruji,
Sure,
in fact,
I'll call you for the details. Sorry, sir.
Okay. Okay.
No, that's great. Kiran will be doing, but most importantly, in fact, I wanted to request you to tell the Sachin, he should prepare the input and he should share with me and Kiran, because I have to upload on that RI website and the district 3131 that is pending, and I have already requested Ruchin and Prerna. They are on the job. But number of beneficiary, when he started, there are few inputs which I will be sharing with you, the fields, and I will request that put a word to so that we get me and Kiran, the team. I'm talking about the team. We get and go ahead with that. So thank you very much, Niruji, for that. We'll do that. Yeah. In fact, our latest member, new member, Ashwini Bhaku. See, I'm requesting all. It's you. Some people are telling captain. Captain is very low post. Group captain is very high post. So please mind it. It should be group captain, group captain, group captain, group captain. Ashwini Kumar Bhaku. Visit Seva Medal. This is the pronunciation. This is the correct. When you are saying, this. I have seen sometime in the civil, people put my Visit Seva Medal in bracket. They don't understand what is that. That is the President Award. That is the award given by President of India. And for that, it's not only award. When we introduce ourselves to any army personnel, they stand up from their chair and give honor for that. I'm talking about the decoration part. So I'm mentioning again, it is Group Captain Ashwini Bhaku, Visit Seva Medal. You don't say Visit Seva Medal, you say VSM, chalega, kuch problem nahi hai. So inviting Group Captain Ashwini Kumar Bhaku, Visit Seva Medal, to share his experience from his joining till today and what he thinks about as a member Rotary Club Pune Riverside. And after this, we will close. So over to Group Captain Ashwini Kumar Bhaku.
Good morning, Ji, everybody, and thank you very much, Colonel Mishra, for inviting me. I was very interested, and I'm very happy to be part here. Frankly speaking, this is my learning phase as far as the Rotary Club is concerned. I have been connected with this particular club for the last year or so. I look forward to being participating in other activities, and especially all the projects going on in whatever my capacity is there. And my interest mostly lies in mental health, and that is the focus that I tend to put on as far as mental health is concerned. Any of the projects which are there, I am always there to be able to physically be on the ground and participate. And also, if there are things on mental health which we are doing, whether in Sanjeevani or in the projects which Niruji is doing in the Happy Schools, I would be only too delighted to be there. That's all I would like to say for this meeting, but it was very interesting to listen to all the projects and all the good work that is being done. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for this opportunity.
Thank you very much. So it's already 1 minute past 9. If anybody want to say something, in fact, Sumana Banerjee and Jailams are there. So I would like to thank them also to join club assembly today. Anybody want to say something in 1 or 2 minutes? Then we will close. And who has not spoken? Sumana
Mishraji,
and yeah, Rohit.
Mishraji,
Go ahead, go ahead.
just to inform all the club members, Devdutt Patnaik will be the chief speaker at the district conference in June, on 10th.
10th or
10th June.
that is okay. And this district conference has been postponed for 13, 14, 15, I believe.
Yes, correct.
So you can share the details with Prerna, and I will request Prerna to share with the members on account of that
Okay.
also. Okay, thank you
I'll
very
send
much.
it over.
Thank you. So thank you once again from my bottom of heart. I extend thanks, and for formal vote of thanks, I would like to invite Prerna Gaikwad, Secretary, Rotary Club of Pune Riverside, before we close. So over to Prerna.
Thank you so much, Colonel. A big thank you to everyone for attending today's meeting. We need more members like you being there, being present, being active. I think all in all, it was a very fruitful session to see where we stand and what we need to do to go ahead, making the next 3 months much better. So hopefully we'll take all these inputs in, work out, and the last 3 months will be much, much better than this. Looking forward to seeing you all for the next meeting. See you next Wednesday morning again, 8:15. Thank you so much. Colonel, back to you.
Thank you. And as usual, Wednesday, 7th April 2021, we have weekly club meeting, and speaker is Vinita Bajoria. Promoter as chairperson, Nico Eastern Private Limited, and promoter director, Continental Valves Limited. And topic is very interesting. Topic is learning from Upanishad and how to live life well. And thank to Ganeshji for connecting again to Vinita Bajoria. So please, I request you all to join in large number. So if I have permission to end the meeting, I would like to adjourn the meeting. Stay healthy, happy, safe. Corona is spreading very fast in Pune and Maharashtra. So please take care of yourself.
What is one-liner? One-liner should be
I'm
there.
sorry. Vikram is there. So we would like to, yeah. Thanks, Niruji, reminding me. Vikram is there. Yeah. So Vikram, we look forward for your part of the day.
Well, given the fact that the virus seems to be winning right now here, 2020 was the year of the mask, and 2021 is the year of the prick. So I suggest we all remember that and be careful and safe. Have a nice day.
Thank you very much.
You said it.
Thank you.
One
So,
line for the joke.
yeah, Ganeshji, anybody who would like to crack the joke? We look forward.
Vikram ne kar diya na. It was both one-liner and
Joke. Okay. So have I permission to end the meeting?
Yes.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Stay safe, healthy, and meeting is adjourned. Good day.